everyone. Welcome to Spontaneous Inspirational Talk. And today I have with me Dr. Uma Rane and from India and also Professor Regina from Brazil. So, Dr. Uma, I would like to give you a topic, develop your talents. So, please share your insights on that.
Yes, madam, a very nice topic. Develop your talent. See, talent is a natural ability to be good at something, especially without being taught. And talent is the abilities that we are born and which leads to satisfactory performance both in learning and in the execution of skill, between possessing skill and having the talent to perform that skill. A person with a talent for a profession can learn to execute that profession far more easily. And everyone has their own talents. Before developing talents, one should identify their talents. That is very important. So to identify their talents, they should ask their friends and listen to others and what people will tell about their good things and what they know about their strengths. And apart from that, ask your family and what thrilled you as a child and what you loved as a child. And apart from that, uh, you can think about the tough situations that you have had to deal with and take the challenges and let challenges will happen. So try to tackle those problems. So when you tackle your problems, then people can know their talents. Then evaluate what are good at. See, there is a lot of difference between what you enjoy and what you are good at. So things that make you enjoy, like cooking, playing guitar, and some fashion designing, all those. But there is a lot of difference will be there. What you enjoy and what you are good at, and these are the to explore to develop your talents. And uh, do not wait till you will get the talent. You have to deliberately pursue it and find it, and with this all the tips and a great way to grow professionally with this developed talents, what you know, and share it with others. For example, if you are good at some interior designing, then graphic designing, then create a blog or YouTube channel, then review, then share your graphic designing insights. Like that, you can pursue your talents. And as we are all medical profession, we are doctors, so we should develop our talents. Choosing to become doctor is a big commitment, yes, and it takes years of dedicated studying before that. Then after that becoming doctor, we have to explore our talents with verbal communication, then written communication, then body languages with the patients, and active listening. And apart from very important as a doctor important, and we should improve our talents by get training, like listening webinars, attending webinars, workshops, then writing articles. So all these are that to develop our talents. So with this, I will end my inspirational talk. Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Thank you, Professor Regina ma'am. Please.
Thank you so much, Dr. Uma. And that was very nice and inspiring message to young generation as well as everyone. And these inspirational talks are for stage 4 cancer survivors to inspire, to celebrate, as well as to everyone, whoever needs the small inspiration to move forward. And Umar, do you mind? Shall I read? We are doing this book talk series of Robin Sharma, "Who Will Cry When You Die?" A short paragraph from him. So I see, develop your talents. And he says that Norman Cousins once noted that the tragedy of life is not death, but what we let die inside of us while we live. And in a similar vein, Ashley Montego wrote that the deepest personal defeat suffered by human beings is constituted by the difference between what one was capable of becoming and what one has in fact become. There is a difference between simply existing and truly living. In all his work with employees in the organization, he sees too many people spend more time focusing on their weakness rather than developing their strengths. By concentrating on what you do not have, they neglect the talents they do have. The greatest people who have gone before us all had a simple strategy that ensured their success. They knew themselves. They made the time to reflect on their core abilities, those special qualities that made them unique, and spent the rest of their lives refining and expanding them. And there is so much, and I will wrap this one with saying the quote, which he says, "Are you using the best within you to its fullest capacity? If not, you're not only doing yourself a disservice, you're doing the world and all of those within it who could benefit from your unique talents. So the weakest among us has a gift, however seemingly trivial, which is peculiar to him and which worthily used will be a gift also to his race." Well said, Dr. Uma. Whatever um, uh, the tips which you have given to develop the talents and they can do. And we will also hear from Professor Regina, please.
Thank you very much. It was a wonderful inspiration. Let's talk about Pratibha, talent. Talent is also given by God, in my humble opinion. We develop it being creative, being artistic, in music, as Dr. Uma said, or in dancing, or the intelligence, mental power, the natural endowments of a person, the talent or of a group of talents. It's a field of activity. We either have a chase to embrace it or neglect it. Some people have come from a family of doctors. Sometimes the child doesn't want to keep studying that hard. They have their talent for medicine, but they choose to play baseball, which is more physical. So it's in free will, their chance to put to work the talents that was God given and the family orientated, put into a better place. We are God's hand on planet Earth. We must thank Him for the opportunity of a lifetime. So our choices and our footsteps must leave transparency, ethics, empathy, and charity, and solidarity. Talent binds to these qualities that we cannot buy in a supermarket. It's a wonderful way of experiencing a job, a career with ethics. And this is a bless. Not everybody can do that. So I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Uma, for talking about talent. Pratibha.
Thank you so much, Professor Regina. And being with stage 4 cancer for 13 years, as you're an inspiration to all of us, and to that at every stage you can do it. And thank you so much for inspiring us to say that everyone has to explore their talents. And when once we explore your passion, your talents, you can reach to the highest level of our existence, as Dr. Uma was saying. So, and make a healthy, happy environment. And thank you so much, Dr. Uma, for being with us today. Thank you. Wish you all good luck and see you all again next inspirational talk. Thank you so much, Professor Regina.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.